Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to remove and replace throttle body on a Dodge Charger or Dodge Magnum. Stay with us, guys. Okay, we're gonna show you how to do that now. The one right there, throttle body. So it's not very complicated. They use the same one in, I think, in Dodge Charger, Dodge Magnum and Chrysler 300, the 3.5 engine. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we're ready to start now. We're gonna remove that clamp there, get those loose so we can take the intake hose out of the way, guys, because it's a little bit hard to reach two bolts on the bottom. We'll show you where. Okay, now we need to press this thing to the back, slide it to the back. Okay, to unlock it, then you press down and pull. Okay, that's the mass airflow sensor there. And we should be able to pull that hose out of here now. Okay, once you pull one side, it will come out easy. Okay, just like that. Next we'll need to remove the wire. You need to unlock the red thing, and now you need to press in, okay, and pull it out just like that. And now we'll need to remove a couple nuts and bolts with a 10mm socket. Okay, one there. After that we have one on top next to it. Then we'll have two nuts. Okay, now we still cannot remove it because that bracket is in the way and you cannot bend that thing because you still need to get it there with a wrench. So now we have two nuts. Okay, let me show you. That's the throttle body here. So we'll have two nuts. Let me see, bolts actually. Okay, there, right here. Okay, that's one head and that's the other one there. So those are probably with a 15mm. We need to check and make sure. But those tend to be really tight there and hard to reach as well. Okay, the one there. So we're gonna go take them off now. Okay, one is out now, well, it's loose, and then we'll get the other one. And you can see it's limited room, so you just have to mess with it until you get it out. Okay, and we probably have them out by now, hopefully. Okay, that's what it looks like, one of the bolts. And the other one, we just got it loose like that. It's enough. The first one, you can even actually, look at that, you can even just get it loose a little bit. You don't have to take it off all the way and you can twist it to the side. And now we need to remove two more bolts that we have here. Okay, like that. And this is the throttle body, guys, out of there. So you can see it did take some work to do that, but not as complicated. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please give us a like, subscribe, so we can hold that channel together and help more people that way. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.